The safety fall arrest system of a mine shaft conveyance under slack rope conditions or rope failure is a simple add-on to Horne's standard LEVELOK clamping system. LEVELOK systems have been safely used on a daily basis as chairing mechanisms for many years across 4 continents, ranging from North America, Australia, Asia and Africa. In South Africa, it is used for the transportation of men. This proven chairing technology is expanded to also provide proven controlled deceleration on hoist rope severance with a dual-purpose system. LEVELOK is better known in mining for chairing or holding applications in which cage guide clamps hold the cage or skip steady during load transfer, then gradually release their grip at a controlled rate to allow smooth take-up of rope stretch. The LEVELOK chairing system is hydraulically powered clamps which grip onto the guides and hold the cage in position. A controlled release of the clamps enables the cage to slide, taking up the rope stretch in a controlled manner, thus eliminating bounce or oscillation. Hydraulic pressure is stored in accumulators which are released to apply clamps in an emergency condition. Should the conditions for an emergency situation be met, oil is automatically released from the accumulator, activating the LEVELOK clamps, which then grip the shaft guides in a controlled manner, bringing the cage to a steady stop. In an in-house test situation shown here, the accumulator is charged by an external pump unit and a ball valve locks the oil in before the hose is disconnected. The test mass is hoisted and rested on a steel pin while the hoist rope is detached. The test mass is then released and free falls. System response time is about 0.3 seconds. A fail-safe operation has been inserted because the risks posed by inadvertent activation of the emergency braking system when conveying humans. It is for this reason that the hydraulic applied spring release design has been incorporated into all LEVELOK systems. Let's look at that drop again and notice how steady the retardation of the test mass is. Let's now look at an actual drop test that was done on site for the commissioning of the Oyu Tolgoi mine safety fall arrest system in Mongolia. The objectives of the LEVELOK safety fall arrest system are as follows: to achieve repeatable, controlled, safe deceleration rates during fall arresting. The LEVELOK safety fall arrest system must operate effectively on mine-specified steel and wood shaft guides. It must minimize the risk of inadvertent activation, be easy to test and maintain, have a fail-safe capability, and boast a combined chairing and fall arresting system. In terms of fail-safe operation of the system, there are 2 conditions under which the system must fail to a safe mode. The first is under normal hoisting operations, the clamps must not apply when it is not needed, as this will cause injury to personnel and equipment. This is an unacceptable situation and must be avoided at all costs. The second is that once we have rope failure and the conveyance has been arrested, it must stay in situ until the rescue has been effected. The system achieves both conditions using a combination of hydraulically applied spring release clamps and a hydraulic system equipped with enough redundancy to hold pressure once the clamps have been applied. LEVELOK offers significant advantages over alternative fall arresting technologies such as safety dogs, as it provides controlled deceleration and performs equally well with both wood and steel mine shaft guides. It is worth noting that safety dogs require wooden shaft guides for grip, while the mining industry is increasingly using steel guides to counter the rising timber price of the clear-grade Canadian pine needed for this application and to combat the higher maintenance costs of wood guides. The LEVELOK safety fall arrest system can be adapted and retrofitted to existing mine cages, ensuring safety for men and equipment under emergency conditions. The LEVELOK safety fall arrest system is yet another safety development from the Horne Group, making hoisting operations in mine shafts progressively safer. The Horne Group, professionalism through engineered solutions.